India's economic growth is accelerating, powered by a robust service and agricultural sectors, contributing 70% to the GDP. But manufacturing, at 15 to 16% contribution, remains highly underutilized. The key to unleashing this potential lies in empowering the MSMEs, currently held by fragmentation and lack of organization. That's where Karkhana.io steps in, streamlining the ecosystem to drive manufacturing growth and innovation.
Karkhana.io is a contract manufacturing platform where we work with OEMs and technology companies and help them set up manufacturing solutions right from first few hundred units of their product all the way to scaling it up to mass production.
With the strong foundation we have been able to set with our network of manufacturing MSMEs, we now want to take our domestic offering to the globe. And what better time to do this as the world looks at India increasingly as a credible manufacturing partner.
Karkhana.io has built a robust platform to empower MSMEs and seize emerging opportunities. Suppliers joining this network undergo a rigorous evaluation process to ensure they meet the quality benchmarks and customer demands.
We do a thorough evaluation of the supplier we want to work with, both from a capability perspective, a quality standpoint, as well as from a financial standing standpoint. We set up a proper project plan which includes raw material procurement, every step of the manufacturing stage, as well as the final inspection plan. We take regular updates and debottle wherever required for the supplier, and we ensure that this communication is passed transparently to the customer.
Backed by 600 plus vetted suppliers, Karkhana.io overcomes manufacturing hurdles by enhancing MSME capabilities to meet stringent industry standards.
The advantage of working with Karkhana is that they were able to find us customers and products that would fit our line of business, which is to do high mix and low volume parts.
The biggest and the greatest benefit with our association with Karkhana.io is that they are bringing the market to us with various sectors, be it the local market or be it international market. They are bringing everything to our doorstep.
Karkhana.io combines digital solutions with on-ground expertise to create processes that ensure high-quality output and meet OEM standards while tracking project progress in real time.
We have a strong and competent supply chain team that works closely with our huge vendor network to deliver quality products which meet all our customer requirements. We have a great digital platform that ensures transparency and gives a customer a step-by-step view of what is happening in their project.
As a one-stop solution for OEMs, Karkhana.io delivers scalable, flexible manufacturing through its extensive partner network across India.
Roomba is world's first wall-top computer. Production is a real challenge because this has got several components, and sourcing them at the right time for manufacturing was a key challenge for us. We are happy that we have a strategic alignment with the Karkhana, who take the responsibility of both sourcing the components plus also introducing us to an EMS partner where we can put all these components together in the product build.
The major challenge with production in Pigreen was that we had to ramp up from 200 units to almost 750 units sale per year. There is when Karkhana's competency has come into picture, where they have helped us in manufacturing the core of the technology and the quality which we needed, and they have been able to provide better quality at better rates.
Leveraging the vetted MSME network, Karkhana.io offers customized solutions across various industries including aerospace, medical devices, electronics, energy, and industrial robotics.
In Karkhana, our mission is to digitize 3,000 plus MSMEs. In the process, we not only generate more employment opportunities, but also help in the GDP growth of our country.
Today, we have more than 600 MSMEs on our platform, who are realizing the benefits of digitalization. Now imagine if this solution was applied to every manufacturing MSME in the country.
Over the last 6 years, Karkhana.io has built a strong manufacturing foundation by utilizing its engineering capabilities on the ground and providing MSMEs with a digital operating system to elevate their standards. Karkhana.io is just getting started on its journey to put India on the global manufacturing landscape while strengthening the MSME ecosystem and contributing to nation building.